We are a team. Meeting you was fate, becoming your friend was a choice, but falling in love with you was beyond my control. If I did anything right in my life, it was when I gave my heart to you. I wish I could turn back the clock and find you sooner and love you longer. I love you forever and always.
Veena, the first day I met you, I knew I met the right person. You doubted me, but in any case, I kept on visiting you and proving my love to you. And at times we would have, you would have mixed feeling. And I really made sure that I love you and I always would, my darling. And I'll care for you for the rest of my life. It was nice meeting you, and now we are family. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
I'm Sia. I'm Vina's friend for many years. I wish Vina a happy marriage. I wish her all the blessings. Cause I know Vina, she knows me, and we've been through a lot. And I wish them all the best. I wish that God can provide for them whatever they want, and may God bless them in each and every way. Thank you.
To Veena and Chris, everything of the best. May God bless you all always. Veena, we're going to miss you a lot, and you will always be in our prayers. All the best.
And good afternoon once again, and a heartfelt welcome to everybody at this function, and our well wishes to Veena and Chris, and safe journey to everybody that has attended. I know Chris's family has traveled far and wide to get here today, and we wish them well, and it was a real pleasure meeting them today. And please partake in the meals and everything that's provided, and have a lovely afternoon. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nalini of Nalini's Catering, Dundee 073-425-8373. For all your catering requirements, you can contact me. I'd like to wish the bridal couple everything of the best. Thank you.
But happy journey in the future from Vijay, family, and Balraj and his wife and the families. Wish them all the best and thank you. And also the lady that cooks the food, thank you very much. The food was great. We are cooks and we also know this is beautiful. Thank you.